Today we have the 2020 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just over 60,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, Full Pass Connect, app on Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our different driving modes, starting with normal, eco, sport, slippery and trail. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.